In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in the Gmail app. This is a simple process that can significantly improve your email organization and help you manage your inbox with ease. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by an overflowing inbox, or simply need a better way to keep track of important messages, creating folders, or labels as they're called in Gmail, is an effective solution. Let's dive into how you can set this up on your Gmail app. First things first, open your Gmail app and head to the Labels section, which will be on the side menu. You're looking for a small plus icon that appears next to the Labels heading. This little icon is the key to starting the process. Give it a tap. The option to create a new label will appear on your screen, setting the stage for your new folder. Once you've tapped the plus icon, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your new folder. It might feel a bit like naming a new file, and you want to choose a name that reflects the content or purpose of the emails you plan to store there. Maybe it's work projects if you like to keep professional emails separate, or travel plans for all those itineraries and booking confirmations. Whatever name you choose, make sure it's something meaningful to you. It will make finding emails later that much easier. With the name typed in, you're almost done. Now simply tap Create. This final click is what brings your new label to life, allowing you to start using it immediately. You can now organize your emails by moving existing messages into this new folder, or by labeling new emails as they arrive. Having this structure makes future email retrieval a breeze, and keeps your digital life running smoothly. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've created a folder in Gmail that will help you keep those emails perfectly organized. Remember, these labels aren't just for aesthetic appeal, they're practical tools that help streamline the way you manage information online. Another tip to consider: once you start using labels, you can edit or even delete them anytime. If you find that a particular folder is no longer necessary, or another label might work better, you can make changes effortlessly. This flexibility allows your email organization strategy to grow and adapt with your changing needs. So, next time you find your inbox a little chaotic, remember this simple method for adding structure and order at your fingertips. You can always re-watch this video for a refresher, but with practice, you'll become a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing.